Ahmedabad woke up bright and sunny on Sunday, May 31st. The city looked clear in the morning hours. Fans expected a smooth day for the IPL 2026 final. The match is set to be played between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Gujarat Titans. The venue is the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. However, weather conditions soon changed the mood. The local meteorological department issued a yellow alert for the city. The alert warns of high wind speeds. It also indicates possible thunderstorms in some areas. Light rainfall is also expected in parts of Ahmedabad and nearby regions. This raised concerns about interruptions during the high-profile final. The city had been facing hot weather in the past few days. Heatwave conditions were also reported earlier this week. Despite the morning sunshine, some parts of the city appeared slightly cloudy. This added to uncertainty among fans and teams. According to AccuWeather, there is currently no significant rain threat on match day. It has forecast 0% chance of rain. This brings some relief to fans and organizers. However, weather conditions remain unpredictable. The IPL final also comes with a reserve day. If rain disrupts play on Sunday, the match will be shifted to Monday. But forecast for Monday appear even less favorable. Reports suggest higher chances of rain on the reserve day. If both days are washed out, rules state a clear outcome. In that case, Royal Challengers Bengaluru will be declared winners. This is because RCB finished higher on the points table. They also ended the league stage above Gujarat Titans. Organizers are hoping to complete the match on Sunday itself. All efforts will be made to ensure maximum possible play. The rule allows the use of the reserve day only if minimum overs cannot be completed on the first day. Meanwhile, weather conditions have already affected team logistics. Gujarat Titans' arrival in Ahmedabad was delayed on May 30. The team was earlier in Chandigarh. They had just defeated Rajasthan Royals in Qualifier 2 on May 29th. After that match, they were scheduled to fly to Ahmedabad. However, stormy weather conditions delayed their departure. Flight clearance was not granted on time. As a result, the team reached Ahmedabad late at night before the final. Despite the weather conditions, excitement remains high. Fans are eagerly waiting for the clash between RCB and GT. Officials continue to monitor this situation closely. Ground staff are also prepared for any rain interruption. The final now carries an added layer uncertainty. Weather may play a key role in deciding the champions of IPL 2026. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.